In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clock in on Gusto Wallet. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is sign in to your Gusto employee account. Make sure you're using your correct login details and accessing your employee dashboard. Once you're signed in successfully, you'll be ready to move through the time tracking process without any confusion. After logging in, head to the homepage of your Gusto account. This is usually the main dashboard where you can view important account information, pay details, and workplace tools. Take a moment to make sure you're on the correct screen before moving on, since the time tracking feature is located directly from this area. Next, look for the time tracking widget. You'll typically find this panel on the right side of the screen. If your dashboard contains several sections, just scan carefully until you see the area related to time tracking. This is where you'll manage your work hours, including clocking in and later reviewing your time. Before you clock in, check your current status inside the time tracking panel. You want to confirm that it says, "You're off the clock." This is important because it tells you that Gusto is not currently recording your time and that you're ready to begin a new work session. Once you've confirmed that status, go ahead and click the clock in button. As soon as you select it, Gusto will begin tracking your work hours. Give it a moment to update. In most cases, this happens right away, but it's always a good idea to pause briefly and let the system refresh. Now, verify that you're officially clocked in. Check the time tracking status again and make sure it updates after you press the button. This confirmation step helps you avoid missing tracked time, especially if you're clocking in right before starting a task. After that, you can continue working as normal. Your hours will remain tracked until you clock out, so there's nothing else you need to do during your shift unless you want to check your recorded time. If you'd like to monitor your hours, return to the time tracking section and review what has been recorded. This can be helpful for making sure everything looks accurate throughout the day. You can also click View Pay Period to see your tracked time for the current pay period. This gives you a broader view of your logged hours and helps you stay on top of your time records. Thanks for watching.